Mr. Mcholi, you were called today to testify about occurrences that occurred during February 2018. Do you still recall what happened during February 2018, sir?
Mnumzane Mtshali ubizwe phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi uzofakaza ngokwenzeka ngonyaka ka-2019 kwakuyinyanga kaNhlolanja uma uFebruary 2018. My apologies, Your Worship, 2018. Usakhumbula ukuthi kwenzekani?
Ngisakhumbula kodwa okunye ngoba isikhathi seseside khona la mhlambe engasazikhona ukukhumbula khona kodwa okunye ngiyakhumbula okwenzakalayo.
I still remember, however, because it has been long since all that happened, I may not be able to recall everything in details, but much of it I can recall. La tsundzuka leswi a swi nga endleka lembe leriya ra 2018 kambe hikusa I khale a ni nge tsundzuki swilo hinkwaswo.
Mr. Mcholi, can you tell the Honorable Court how is it that you became involved in this matter?
Mnumzane Mtshali, chazela inkantolo ukuthi kweza njani ukuthi nawe ube yingxenye ya leli cala.
Mina ngafonelwa uMkhize uLakhiwe Mkhize.
I received a call from Lakhiwe Mkhize. Ndibelwe riqingho ndibelwa yi Lakhiwe Mkhize.
Okay, well, before the witness proceed, might I just request that any evidence that this witness relates to regarding to what was said to him by Lakhiwe Mkhize be provisionally admitted, as Lakhiwe Mkhize will be called to court as a side witness to testify. As please, Your Honourable Court. Mr. Mcholi, you said you received a call from Mr. Lakhiwe Mkhize, and what did this relate to, sir?
Uthi wathola ucingo olubuya ku Lakhiwe Mkhize kwakumayelana nani?
uMkhize wangifonela wathi ufonelwe usisi angamazi kodwa lo sisi wathi amafoni wathole kuRosemary ufuna ukudibana naye. Wayesethi ucela ukuthi ngoba uthi lo sisi uyeza njengamanje ufuna umbona. Ucela ngayi yedwa lo sisi ucela ukuthi ngimkhaphe siye kuye ngoba akamazi.
He informed me that he has received a call from a particular lady unknown to him. But this lady received his telephone numbers from Rosemary. Therefore, because he's going to meet with this lady, he doesn't want to go there alone. So he requested me to accompany him. Avulele so akume riqingho lerumaka eka manana un'wana kambe amanana lowo a nga n'wi tivi. Va n'wi byerile so a tinomboro ta yehe u ti kume eka Rosemary. Hikwalaho u kombela ku ri ndi ta ni famba na yena hikusa u ya ku hlanganeni na manana walowo a nga lavi ku famba a ri nexe.
Now, at this stage, sir, did you know Rosemary Ndlovu?
Wena-ke ngaleso sikhathi wawumazi yini uRosemary Ndlovu?
Ngase ngimazi uRosemary Ndlovu.
I knew her at that time. Ani mutiva hi nkarhi walowo a Rosemary Ndlovu.
And can you tell the court, is this Rosemary Ndlovu present today?
Ungachazela kwinkantolo ukuthi lo Rosemary Ndlovu ingabe ukhona yini phambi kwenkantolo namhlanje?
Yebo ukhona.
Yes, she is present. Shitanu akoho amahlweni awubonile.
Can you point it to the Honourable Court?
Ungamkhomba-ke ukuthi inkantolo imbone?
Yebo ngamkhomba.
Yes, I can point her out. Ngasikota ku nimukhomba.
You might proceed, sir.
Qhubeka-ke umkhombe mnumzane.
Ilo mama ongapha eqaleni.
It is the lady, the first lady, or the lady seated on the first part of the accused door.
Okay. Now, can I...
Imanana lava nga tshama la aku sunguleni.
So you and Mr. Mkhize then went, you said you agreed to go and meet another person. Is that correct?
Ngakho-ke uthi wavuma ukuthi uzohamba naye niyohlangana nalowo muntu kunjalo?
Yebo ngavuma.
That is correct. Swetani nivumelele ku ri ta famba xikan'we ya vona munhu walowo.
And who is this person that you went to meet? Sir?
Ngubani-ke lo muntu enahamba nayohlangana naye?
igama ngisazi bathi uNomsamdawu.
The name is said to be Nomsa Mudau. Avito vavula leswo i Nomsa Mudau.
Now, where was the arrangements made to meet this Mrs. Nomsa Mudau?
Na kwakuhlelwe ukuthi kuyohlanganwa kuphike nendawo nalo umama uMdau.
Shuthi umkhize wangitshela ukuthi uzomthola mawuphuma ngase-hostel eHlanzeni uya ngaseNikho. Wathi somthola lapho nampela safe samthola lapho.
Mr. Mkize informed me that we will meet here just after exiting Enhlanzeni Hostel down at a place called Nico. Tatana Mkize abanidwele kuri tahlangana naye loko ihuma a hostela Enhlanzeni eka ndawu leyi vitwanaka kuri des Nico.
And did this meeting actually take place, sir?
Ingabe lowo mhlangano wenzeka?
Yebo wenzeka.
Yes, the meeting took place and mhlangano yaleyo yendlekile.
And who was present during this meeting?
Kulowo mhlangano ke ubani obekade khona?
Kwaku uNomsamdawu kumkhize kuyimi.
It was Nomsa Mudau, Mr. Mkize and myself. Eka mhlangano yaleyo vanhu lava ri koho a ku ri manana Mudau, ku ri tatana Mkize na mina.
Now, prior to this meeting taking place, did you yourself know this Nomsa Mudau?
Ngaphambi kokuba lo mhlangano ke ube khona, ingabe wena wawumazi yini uNomsa Mudau?
Ngangamazi uNomsamdawu.
No, I did not know Nomsa Mudau. Ani ngangutivi aNomsa Mudau anhlangano leyi ngasendle.
Now, can you remember, myself, the Honorable Court, and my learned friend, we were not there. Can you explain in detail what happened upon arriving at this place, Nico, where you met with Nomsa Mudau?
Ukhumbuleke mnumzane ukuthi mina njengomshushisi ngangingekho lapho, ummeli wayengekho lapho, kantolo iyayingekho. Ngicela ke usichazele kabanzi ukuthi sizwisise ukuthi kwenzekani ke lapho eziniko uma nihlangana nomama uNomsa Mudau. Sichazele.
Asafe samthola uNomsamdawu esemontweni yakhe eliveni iNissan emhlophe. Sase
Upon our arrival, we found her, Nomsa Mudau, in her motor vehicle, which is a white Nissan. It's a buggy. Loko ifika inkume arle amoveni ya yena amanana Nomsa Mudau emova yobhasa ya Nissan.
sangena emontweni yakhe ngaphakathi nomkhize.
Then we went on the inside of the motor vehicle with Mkize, ingena ekamova yaleyo na Mkize.
Wayesimchazela kumkhize ngami ukuthi cha sisi amafoni akho bengakwazi amanamba uthi uRosemary ukunikeza amanamba and then yimi kumkhize ngabe ukhala ngani sisi lo bhuti engihamba naye ubhuti engiphila naye ngithena ngangiphelezele size kuwe kodwa kusimuntu onenkinga ungakhuluma lokho ufuna ukukhuluma.
And then Mr. Mkize said to Nomsa Mudau that you called me and you informed me that you received my telephone numbers from Rosemary, and now I'm in the company of a person that I always hang around with. You may feel free to tell me why am I here. Avula leswo undidwele leswo ukumeti nomboro ta mina eka Rosemary na kuri loyi ndi fambaka na yehe I munhu loyi ndi hanyaka na yehe. Seke ungathucheka undidwela kuri undidwele yini.
Yes, what happened then?
Kwase wenzekani emva kwalokho?
Wayesechaza kumama uMdaka ukuthi cha ucela simsize.
Mrs. Mudau then explained that she requests our help. Manana Mudau bahlamutela leswo va kombela hi va pfuna.
Okay, before we proceed, this Mrs. Mudau that spoke to you, Can you tell the Honourable Court, you said you did not know her prior to this meeting. Is this Mrs. Mudau present today?
Umama ke uMdawu lo okhuluma ngaye uthe eqaleni ubungamazi ke naseniyahlangana ingabe ke ungakhona ukhomba inkantolo lo mama uMdawu namhlanje ingabe ukhona?
yebo ukhona.
She is present today. Manana Mudau wakhona muntu.
Can you indicate to the Honourable Court where is this Mrs. Mudau?
Ungakhomba inkantolo ukuthi ukuphi umama uMdawu lo.
Ngamkhomba.
I can point her out.
Can you please point her?
Mkhombe ke.
Ilo sisi wesibili ohlengana eduze kaMama Rosemary.
It is the lady that is seated next to Rosemary. Imanana lava va nga tshama akusuhi na Rosemary.
As please the Honourable Court, Your Worship. May I then ask you, so what did Mrs. Mudau request your assistance with? Can you explain to the Honourable Court?
Mangibuze ke mnumzana ukuthi umama uMdawu wacela uphi usizo lwenu.
Umama uMdawu wathi unenkinga nomkhwenyana wakhe. Umkhwenyana wakhe uyamchithela uya emathaveli ubuye ekseni akasamnaki noma emphakela ukudla akasakudla ukudla kwakhe.
Mrs. Mudau informed us that she has a problem with her husband. Her husband cheats on her. Her husband goes to the taverns and will come back in the morning. Even when she prepares food for him, he does not eat that food. Avulele so mamana tatana vanankinga ni tatana Mudau hikusa varandzana ni vanhu van'wani na swa ku ri va famba va ya aswipotsweni va vuya nampundzu. Swin'wani i mhaka ku loko a va phamela na swakudya a va ha dyi la andlwini.
Yes.
Siyezo mnumzana qhubeka.
Sasi wayesethi inkinga imali akanayo. Imali angaba nayo kungaba okwamanje kungaba 15,000. Masingenzeka ukuthi siwenze lo msebenzi wakhe imali azosinikeza yona imali engango 75,000 masesiqeda ukwenza umsebenzi ngoba fanele eqale eyoclaim aqala meqeda ukuclaim bese yasibhadala.
She then informed us that at the moment she does not have money. The only money that she has is about 15,000 rands. And should we do what she's requesting us to do, she will then pay us later an amount of 75,000 rands, because she would have to go and make a claim. Avula leswo angana mali enkarhini wa sweswi, kambe a mali leyi a nga na yoho i mali ya ku ringana 15,000 ya tirhandi. Andzhaka ku ri endle leswi a hi kombelaka swoho a ta hi nyiketa 75,000 hikusa ku ta laveka ku ri a famba a ya a faka xikombelo.
And what did the,
Wagcina ke nalo 15,000 engayikhiphile wasinikeza 400 rand ukuthi sithole ipetroli sambe siyobona la hlala khona. Saya ke sawubona la hlala khona ke nomkhize.
She ended up not even paying that 15,000 to us. Instead, she gave us 400 rands for us to can be able to pour petrol. Then she took us with her so that we may go and see where she resides. Uhetelele anga hi humesanga amali leyo ya 15,000 kambe a humese makhume kumbe madzana amune a tirhandi a vula leswo ya petrol amali leyo kusukela kwalano a hi teka a famba na hina ya vona la a tshamaka kona.
Mr. Mchali, if you can just explain to the court, what did accused number 2 want you to do?
Uma ungachaza ke babu Mtshali ebefuna nenzeni umangalelwa lo wesithu yini lebafuna nimenzele yona?
Wayefuna ukuthi sibulale indoda yakhe.
She wanted us to kill her husband. Abalava leswo hi va dlayela anuna wa vona.
And did she explain to you why she wanted to kill her husband?
Wanchazela yini ukuthi kungani afuna nibulale umkhwenyana wakhe?
yebo wasichazela.
Yes, she did explain in tiso switano va hi hlamuterile ku ri i mhaka muni va lava ku ri dlaya nuna wa vona.
And what was the reason, sir?
Kwakuyini isizathu mnumzane?
Indoda yakhe bimchithela,
Because her husband cheats on her,
ihamba ubusuku ingabuyi ibuye ekseni,
she will go
emphakela
away
ikhaftini,
throughout the night and not come back.
emphakela ikhaftini emsebenzini ebuye nasengadlile.
And she will prepare lunch boxes for him, and he will come back with those lunch boxes without eating them. Avulele so amanana atatana mudawu va randzana ni vanhu van'wani na swa ku ri va famba vusiku hinkwabyo va nga vuyi va vuya nampundzu va tlhe hambi va va endlile swakudya swa ku ri va ta dya le ntirhweni va vuya na swona swakudya leswo va nga swi dyanga.
And according to evidence, you were then taken to where she resided. Why did she take you to the place where accused number 2 resided?
Uthi-ke kubufakazi bakho wasuyanthatha eyongikhomba la ehlala khona. Ingani bekanithatha-ke ayongikhomba la ahlala khona?
Akasithathanga wasikhomba, wasidirector, wathola ukuthi le ndawo wasidirector kuyo siyayazi. Kunendawo lapha edumile lapha ukuthi kusede indawo, wathi siyokhuphuka ngayo leyo ndawo leyo. And then sothi masikhuphuka sobona ngeveni ngapha kwa-right, leli veni lakhe nethezi. Nangampela masikhuphuka nomkhize silibone iveni nethezi bese umkhize emfonela ukuthi hayi sila ngaphandle aphume asibone bese siyedlula.
She did not actually take us there to her residing place. She directed us there. She told us that if we go up the road next to a place called Dendao, we will see a buggy and a TES motor vehicle, and that's the place. So we went there and we told her, Mr. Mkiza called her to say we can see the van or the buggy and the TES. We are outside. Nangapan.
Sasihamba ngaphandle.
Seke angabatekanga abayisa laya angayitekanga ayisa laya kambe leswi nga endleka va hi byerile ku ri va tshama kwini va hi byela ku ri loko hi famba hi patu liya ya ku va ni ndhawu liya yi ve na ku tivitanaka ku ri i Dendao hi ta vona ku na laha ku na movha ya van na TES kwalaho. So seke loko hi fika atatana Mkhize va n'wi bela riqingho manana loyi va n'wi byela so hayi fikile la ahandle ha ti vona timovha.
Now, after receiving this request from accused number 2 to kill her husband, what was your and Mr. Mkize's response?
Emva kokuba nithole lesi sicelo sokuthi nibulale umyeni wakhe umama uMudawu nibulale umyeni wakhe nathini nina kulokho?
Shuthi into yangiphazamisayo mina ngoba sasingangize lo msebenzi angiwenzi futhi angazi wenziwa kanjani. Ngathatha ngaphazanyiswa ukuthi ekhaya kunenkinga kwathathe wasengivela isifo ekhaya samfowethu kulezo nsuku lezo. Ngase ngiye ekhaya ke mina ngesifeni ngashiya umkhize singakadibani nomama. Mangifika ekhaya ngizwe ngefoni akasafonela umkhize uthi akamthola umkhize efonini. Ngase ngimchazela ke mina ukuthi cha wemama mina ngisesekhaya ngizothi mase ngibuyile bese ngiyatshela sengibuyile. La ngempela ngenza kanjalo ngathi nje mangibuya ngamfonela ngathi ayisengibuyile mama wathi ucela ukungibona. Kwathi uthi umkhize akekho ke lapho ngase ngithatha uVincent kunene ngahamba naye.
Mr. Charlie,
Yeah.
remember we cannot speak too long because the interpreter needs to interpret and he might lose certain important information that you are relaying to us because he cannot interpret all what you are saying. Please keep your sentences short. And can I ask you, just relax, take a deep breath. Nobody's fighting with you.
Siyacela ke mnumzana Mtshali ukuthi uma wethula ubufakazi bakho ukhulume kafushane ukuthi lona otologayo ke akwazi ukutologa. Uma ukhuluma into ende ngenzeka kube khona okunye okubalekile alahlekelwa yikho angakusho. Kuyezwakala nanokuthi siyacela ke ukuthi ukhululeke ungesabi.
Take a deep breath.
awudonse nje umoya, udonse nje umoya uphefumulele ngaphandle, udonse uphefumulele ngaphandle. Uyayibona leyo nto?
Hayi.
Ukhululeke nje mnumzana.
Okay. So, and try to answer short. We'll elaborate as we move along. Okay.
Uzame ukuthi uphendule kafushane, siza kuchaza kabanzi uma silibele siqhubeka. Kuyezwakala?
Ngizwa.
Understood?
Let me ask again. What was your and Mr. Mkhize's response upon hearing the request of accused number 2?
Mangiphinde ngibuzeke. Nathi nike nina wena nomnumzana uMkhize emva kokuba nithole lesi sicelo.
Savuma sathi sosenza.
We agreed that we will do it. Ngipfumerile yina ku ri ta swi loko hi heta ku kuma a xikombelo lexiya a va hi kombela xona.
Okay. Now, at that stage, did you know Mrs. accused number 2's husband?
Ngaleso sikhathi ke ingabe umyeni noma umkhwenyana kamangalelwa wesibini wawumazi?
Angamazi.
No, I did not know him at that stage. Nkarhi walowo ankon'wana kumbe anuna wa mehli wa vumbirhi a ni nga n'wi tivi.
Now, can I ask you, how then did you know which person to kill?
Mangikuzeke ukuthi ngakho ke naze kanjani ukuthi imuphi ke lo myeni ekumele nimbulale?
Wasitshela ukuthi uhamba nge-BM engathi li avocado nje i-BM lakhona wathi sobona ngalelo BM mayibuye emsebenzini ngabo 12.
She informed us that he drives a BMW motor vehicle which has a color, an avocado color, and then wase etuzwenzani?
Wathi sobona ngalelo BM kube kuuye le ufika avula igate engene ngaphakathi.
She then said, we will recognize him through that BMW. He normally opens up the gate and then proceed to come into the yard. Babulele so abba achayela amova ya BMW yofana ni avocado. Seke loko avya antirweni ta ngibona imova yaleyo enkarhini wo tala utapfula gede angena.
Now, was there any other further arrangements made as to when you were going to kill accused number 2's husband?
Ingabe kwaphinde kwahlelwa yini sesisho ukuya phambili ukuthi niyombulala ninike umyeni kamangalelwa wesibili? Kwahlelwa lokho?
Nguhlele lokho sengino Vincent Nene sengibuye ekhaya ngoba ngangishonela ekhaya uMkhize engasekho.
I arranged that with Vincent Nene because Mkhize was no longer around, and I did that when I came back from the homelands. Mkhize wayekuphi?
Wayesemakhaya ifoni yakhe futhi ayingasebenzi kodwa wayesemakhaya.
Mr. Mkhize was not around. He went to his homelands, and his telephone was not functioning. Seke leswo ndisilungise loko se ndihuma akaya ndisilungisana luya kunga Vincent Nene hikusa atatana Mkhize avangaripo avaye amakaya ni phone yavo ayinga tirhi.
Now, how did it become that Mr. Vincent Kunene, is he also known as Njabulo?
Injabulo, yes.
Uyena lo waziwangele kaNjabulo uVincent Kunene.
Yebo.
That is correct. Rivito ra yena rin'wana le a tivekaka hi ro hi leriya ra Njabulo.
How did it become that Mr. Vincent Kunene Njabulo became involved? Who involved him?
Kweza njani ukuthi uNjabulo ke naye angene sesisho Vincent Kunene angene ke kulolu daba wafa kwawubani kulolu daba?
Shuthi ngambikela uNjabulo njengenduna yami hostel ukuthi yazi lenkinga le ifana neka Rosemary bengisacela ungibonise kuyo wayiseke wathi yini lonke ngase ngimtshela ukuthi kunomama la osithume nomkhize ukuthi sambe siyobulala indoda yakhe manje into engiyibonayo sewuzefuna abanye abantu abakwazi ukwenza lo msebenzi.
I informed him because he is my senior at the hostel. I informed him that we've been requested to kill somebody, and this problem is similar to that of Rosemary Ndlovu. Therefore, I wanted him to assist me because she might hire other people if we don't do it. Seke, ningudela leswo and ninkinga ikusaluya induna ya mina la a hostela. Ningudela ku kuna munhu loyi anga ikombela ku ri ngudlayela anuna wa yena. Seke ankinga ya mi ku leswi a swi vulaka swi fana na leswiya swa Rosemary. Seke ningudela hikusa a ni nga lavi ku ri a za a lava vanhu van'wana.
Now, you mentioned something about you returned from a funeral. Do you recall which date was that?
Khona kushilo-ke uthi wawubuya emngcwabeni, ingabe uyakhumbula kwakunini lokho?
kwakuyi uFebruary idate angibuye emncwabe ngathi kwakuyi-19 kaFebruary mawuthi ngisakhumbula kodwa khona kwakuFebruary enyangeni ka2.
It was in February. I think it was on the 19th of February because I know for a fact it was the second month.
Okay.
Isuku lero a ku ri suku ra khume nkaye kambe a ku ri n'hweti liya ya vumbirhi nda swi tiva ku ri n'hweti ya vumbirhi a February.
And upon your return from this funeral, did you receive any further communication from accused number 2?
Uma ke ubuya kulo mncwabo ingabe ke kukhona mhlawumbe ingxoxo enye eyabakhona oyitholayo ebuya kumangalelwa wesibili ukuthi axhumane nawe?
Wangifonela ngisekhaya ngamtshela ukuthi ngizobuya mase ngila ngizomthinta.
She called me whilst I was in the homelands and then informed her that I will contact her as soon as I arrive back. Vani bele tingo nile kaya ni va byela leswo ni ta tlheme ni va fonela loko ni fika.
And upon your arrival back, did you communicate with accused number 2?
Uma ke sowubuyile waxhumana yini nomangalelwa wesibili?
Yebo ngaxhumana na.
Yes, I communicated with her. Shetanu ndi vulavulile naye loko sendibuyile akaya.
And what was discussed between yourself and accused number 2 during this communication, sir?
Yini ke enaxoxa ngakho uma sowubuyile ekhaya wena ke nomangalelwa wesibili?
Saxhumana ngamafoni azange ngibone ngamehlo ngaleyo langa mangibuye ekhaya. Wayesengitshela
I contacted her telephonically. It was not face to face. Nivulavule na yehe ngetingo anzange nihlangana na yena ibonana.
And what was discussed?
Naxoxa ngani?
wathi ucela ukungibona kuyi-Friday kuzi-23.
She requested to see me. It was on Friday on the 23rd
February.
in February. Akombele kuri anivona asuku lero akuri suku la makhume mbiri nharhu eka n'hweti liya ya vumbirhi kumbe Nyenyankulu.
Was that in the year 2018?
Kwakunyaka ka 2018.
Yeah.
That is correct. Alembe akuri lembe leriya ra 2018.
Okay, and what happened on that 23rd of February 2018?
Kwaseke kwenzekani ngalelo suku mhla zingamashumi amabili nantathu kuNhlolanja kunyaka ka 2018 kwenzekani?
Wangifonela wathi useseyinekho.
She called me and informed me that she is at Sniko. Andibhele ritingo andibhela kuri ale Sniko.
Ngase ngicela uNjabulo ukuthi cha angiphelezele ngalolu daba lolade ngitshena ngalo nangilo mama usefonini.
I then requested Njabulo to accompany me and I informed him that it is about that issue which I related to you. Now this woman has just given me a call. Kusuka kwalano libhela luya Njabulo ritingo nimkombela kuri ata famba na mina imhaka liyani nga kuhlamutela yoho amanana lavaya va fonini.
Yes.
Safika emontweni yakhe samthola egqoke iuniform yamaphoyisa efana nalo sisi lo egqokile le.
Upon our arrival, we found her dressed in her police uniform, just like that of the lady seated at the gallery. Loko hi fika hi nkume a gqoke timpahla ta yena ta xiphorisa tanihi manana lavaya va nga gqoka ta vona.
ngendlela okwakuyiyo wasitshela ukuthi usephuthume emsebenzini ngoba kwakulanga boma 4 ngathiwa ingena ngo6 ngoba ilanga langakashoni kwakulabo ma past 4 to 5.
She informed us that she has to rush to work. It was in the afternoon. It was around 4 or so. She was going to knock in at work around 6. I byela leswo a tsutsumela antirhweni a ku ri na madyambu hi siku lero ndi hleketa leswo a se ku be awara liya ya vumune.
Yes. Was
Was,
anything else discussed?
Kwaxoxwa ngani?
Wayesesichazela wayesebuza ukuthi lo esengihamba naye ubani ase ngimchazela nomama uthi cha umkhize efonini angimtholi sengizosebenza nalo bhuti lo ngoba umkhize angimtholi efonini.
She asked who is the lady that was accompanying me. I informed her that I have requested him to come with me since I cannot get hold of Mr. Mkhize.
Are you talking about the lady who accompanied you? Did you refer to a lady that accompanied you, sir?
Ingabe ukhuluma ngosisi obekade kuphelekeze?
Hayi unjabulo.
No, Jabulo.
Oh, but it was interpreted the lady. She asked who was the lady.
Jabulo.
Oh. My apologies, Your Worship, that was not properly interpreted. The person who accompanied me.
So it was,
Avutisa ku ri a munhu loyi ni fambaka na yehe mani ni ku byela ku ri a tatani Mkhize a ni n'wi kumi seke ni kombeleni loyi ku ri a ta ni pfuna.
so do I understand you correctly? Accused number 2 inquired about who Njabulo was.
Ingabe ngikuzwa kahle ukuthi umangalelwa wesibili wabuza ukuthi ubani unjabulo lo kunjalo?
Yebo kunjalo.
That is correct. Switano hefhiwa wavumbirhi avutisini ku ri anjabulo loyi i mani?
And then, did you explain to accused number 2 who Njabulo was?
Ngakho-ke wachaza kumangalelwa wesibili ukuthi ubani unjabulo?
Ngamchazela mina ukuthi unjabulo ubani ngiphila naye ngoba umkhize akekho yena umuntu engizosala sengiqhubeka naye kulomsebenzi osicele wona.
I explained to her that who Jabulo is, and I have requested him that he will help me because I can't get hold of Mr. Mkhize. Nimhlamtela ku ri Jabulo loyi i mani na ku ri ndi ta yisa amahlweni ndi pfuniwa hi yena hikusa a tatana Mkhize a ndi swi koti ku n'wi kuma.
And then, what was discussed further?
Yini-ke okunye okwaxoxwa-ke lapho ukuya phambili?
Ngabe sengimtshena umama lo ngalo ukuthi cha mama ke ngicela umchazeleke ubhuti uNjabulo ukuthi la siyakhona siyokwenzani kwenzakaleni.
I then requested her to explain to Jabulo as to what is it that we are going to do, where we are going.
And what was it that you were going to do, sir?
And yini-ke leyo bekade niyoyenza?
Wayefuna phela siyombulalela indoda yakhe.
She wanted us to go and kill her husband. Alava leswo hi famba hi ya n'wi dlayela anuna wa yena.
Okay, and what else was discussed at this meeting with accused number 2?
Yini-ke okunye okwaxoxwa-ke kulo mhlangano nomangalelwa wesibili?
Wayesethi umama cha ucela ukuthi waphinde wona lamagama akhuluma nami kumkhizi wathi imali akanayo ucela ukuthi sobabili noNjabulo sihambe siyobulala indoda yakhe imali yakho uzoyithola mayeqeda ukuclaim.
She said and repeated what she said to me when I was with Mkhize the previous time, that she doesn't have money, but she's requesting us to go kill her husband for her, and then she will pay us after she has made a claim. avula amarito lamaya anga mavula akusunguleni nkarhi luya ndi ri na tatani Mkhize avula leswo a nga na mali kambe wa kombela ku ri hi famba hi ya n'wi dlayela anuna wa yena loko a heta ku faka xikombelo xa ku ri a kuma mali a ta hi hakela.
And how were you supposed to kill your husband?
Bekufanekele ukuthi nimbulale njani ke umkhwenyana wakhe?
wayethe fanele simdubule ngoba ufika egate ehle emontweni ayivulela igede ebuyele emontweni bese yangena.
She said we were supposed to shoot him. We were supposed to shoot him because she explained that he usually comes in at the gate and alight from the motor vehicle, open the gate, go back inside of the motor vehicle again. Ai hlamtelele swo ku laveka ku ri hi n'wi duvula hikusa minkarhi ko tala loko a fika laha agedeni wa huma amovheni a pfula gede a tlhelela amovheni.
And what was your and Mr. Njabulo's response on being requested to kill accused number 2's husband?
Wena ke nomnumzana uNjabulo nathini ke kulokho sesisho kulesi sicelo sokuthi nimbulalele umkhwenyana wakhe?
Sakuvuma kuye lokho.
We agreed to her to do that. Nisipfumerile eka yebo leta swi endla leswi.
Why? Why did you agree, sir?
Ingani nakuvuma lokho?
Ngoba sasazi ukuthi into engase siyenze sasafuna indlela ukuthi sithole iphoyisa esokhuluma nalo ngalolu daba.
Because we knew that we were not going to do that. So we were trying some means to get hold of a police officer which we can talk to. Ai switiva kahle ku ri a hi nge swi endli leswo a hi lava na munhu wa phorisa loyi nga ta swi kota ku ri hi n'wi hlamutela etimhaka leti.
Did you manage to get hold of a police officer, sir?
Na khona yini ukumthola umuntu oyiphoyisa?
Sathola ukuthi leli phoyisa silijwayele elasiza umama uSisi uNdlovu. Kwathi uthi lisesebusy ngecase lakho umama uNdlovu. Sabona kungcono thina uthi cha ngoba uyozethola abanye abantu kungcono uthi sithole umuntu owumvenda sambe siyobekela indoda yakhe lo mama.
We tried to get hold of the police officer who assisted in the case of Rosemary. Unfortunately, he was still busy on that particular case. We therefore thought it wise to go and approach somebody who is vendor speaking, who can then come with us to explain to the husband on what was about to happen.
Okay.
Seke ai lava ku ri hi ringetile ku ri hi vulavula na tatana lavaya a va hi pfuna eka nandzu luya wa Rosemary kambe hi kuma ku ri va hisa amahlweni nandzu walowo a hi swi koti ku va kuma. Seke hi lava munhu loyi a swi kotaka ku ri a vulavula Xivenda hi n'wi teka hi ya na yena le ku ri ya n'wi tivisa a tatana loyi ku ri ku na yini leswi nga ta endleka.
Now, this discussion that you had with accused number 2, while she was in full uniform, you said this discussion occurred on the 23rd of February 2018.
Le ngxoxo ke enaba nayo nomangalelwa wesibini ngalesikhathi egcoke impahla zakhe zesiphoyisa uthi yenzeka mhla zingama-23 23 kuNhlolanja ngo-2018 February 2018. Ngabe kunjalo?
Kunjalo kwakuyi Friday futhi mangikhumbula kahle.
That is correct, and it was on a Friday if I remember correctly. Xitano mavulavulelo a hina ni muhehliwa wa vumbirhi a ku ri siku leriya ra 23 eka n'hweti ya Nyenyankulu 2018 kumbe February 2018 na koho a ku ri wa vuntlhanu loko ni tsundzuka kahle.
You said this discussion took place at Nico, but where was the actual discussion? Where were you positioned when you had the discussion with Njabulo and accused number 2?
Uthi le ngxoxo naba nayo eziniko kodwa ke kuphi nendawo nani kuphi kahlehle uma nixoxa ke lapha eziniko noNjabulo ekhona nani kuphi?
sasisemontweni phakathi sibheke amashop aseyinikho kanje nomgwaqo ongenawo yangapha bathi kwathwala thina sibhekele kodwa sangena emontweni ngaphakathi.
We were inside of the motor vehicle. We were facing the shops that are there at Zniko to Twala's place. But we were inside of the motor vehicle.
What motor vehicle, sir?
Yipi motor, Mnumzane?
iNissan emhlophe even.
It's a Nissan Baki, white in color. A hi lenzeni ka movha loko hi vulavula hi timhaka leti hi ri laya hi langutise a tixopo letiya ta le Zniko eka patu leyi yi fambaka ya hansi eka Thala. A hi ri endzeni ka movha yo basa ya Nissan.
Now, on that 23rd of February 2018, did you receive any money?
Ngalolo suku ke lwamashumi amabili nantathu kuNhlolanja 2018 ingabe khona imali enayamkela nayiphiwa?
Ayikho imali wayethe uzosinikeza 500 rand noNjabulo wayesethi usazohamba ukhuluma neboyfriend yakhe athole leyo mali ngoba imali akanayo wagcina kungasebenzakalanga lokho.
She had said that she will give us 500 rands. However, she has to go and request it from her boyfriend. However, that did not happen. Abulele so ata inyiketa emadzana mantlhanu atirandi kutalaveka ku ri a famba a ya ikombela ka luya a rhandzanaka na yena kambe a swa ha endlekanga leswo a hi kumanga.
Why not?
Ingani ningazange niyithole?
Savuka ngakusasa sawufuna umsanda lo engichaza ngayo ukuthi ukhuluma isivenda ngoba waye emsebenzini ekuseni thina savuka sawufuna umsanda.
Umbuzo uthi ingani ningayitholanga imali?
Wayengenayo imali alolanga wayethena uzosinikeza mayiseyithole kuyiboyfriend yakhe
She
ngakusasa.
did not have money. She had said she will give us after she has received it from her boyfriend. Angarna mali sukulero hikwalaho anga swi kotanga ku ri a hi nyika mali a vule leswo a siku leri landzelaka a ta ya ka luya a rhandzanaka na yena ku ri a n'wi nyika mali.
And on the 23rd of February 2018, when you and Njabulo was inside the vehicle with accused number 2, was any payment discussed in the presence of Mr. Njabulo?
Ngalelo langa ke mhla singamashumi amabili nantathu kuNhlolanja 2018 ngolwesihlanu uNonjabulo ingabe naxoxa ukuthi niyokhokhelwa malini na?
Yebo saxoxa.
Yes, that was discussed. Shetano ivulavurile imhaka ku ri hi ta hakeriwa mali muni.
What was discussed, sir?
Naxoxa na thini?
75,000.
75,000 rand. Vule leswo ku ta va 75,000 ya tirhandi.
I remember myself, the Honorable Court, and my learned friend were not present. If you can just elaborate, what about the 75,000 rand?
Khumbula ke ukuthi mina njengomshushisi ngangingekho, ummeli wayengekho, inkantolo le iyayingekho. Nixoxeni ngalo 75,000 rand. Usichazele sizwisise.
Wathi lo 75,000 mayeqeda uclaima uzosinikeza.
She said we will receive this 75,000 rands after